पणजी शाराच्या महामंडळाचो नगराध्यक्ष आणि उपनगराध्यक्षा खातीर रोहित मोन्सेराट आणि वसंत अक्षिकार हांणी उमेदवारी दाखल केल्या आणि 30 मार्चाक सकाळी 11 वरांचेर वेंचणूक जावपाची आसा.
एवढं झालं द्या पसंद बेटी बाय 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 चल बाहेर बाहेर कॉन्फरन्स होणार चला बाहेर घेऊया ना बाहेर हो बाहेर घेऊ चला बाहेर इधर लेते हो कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल में बोल रहा हूँ चल 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 आज आया हुआ मिला है हाँ दोबारा गया यार ओके रोहित
First of all, I'd like to say thank you to the people of Panjim for expressing their faith in us. We're extremely grateful for the opportunity that they have given us to serve them once again. And yeah, thank you for everything.
As the results have gone by, this would be just a formality. So how do you see your next target for that?
See, like I said, I will be here only for a short amount of time. We're standing for the assembly elections, like Mr. said. I would just like to tell the people, when we were campaigning, I had given my commitment to a lot of people from Panjim. I would just like to tell people that those commitments will all be honoured. Just because I might head for assembly election does not mean that we have forgotten all. Whatever we have promised you will be delivered. And we have already started doing our work. And I have about 50 things that we need to deliver in the next 6 months, so that at least hoping to start in.
So you almost confirmed yourself to be a contesting assembly.
Minister has already said hopefully will agree. That I have no idea. Party will decide.
And there are many options, no?
Party will decide.
Party will decide, but you don't
Ask me
like
about
it.
CCP only. That is time is not coming. No, like I said, I have not spoken to everybody. Only minister who is giving I have not spoken to anybody as of yet. There is still time for all of this. It's not. I still have a lot of work to do in the corporation in the next 6 to 8 months. So my only focus will be the corporation for now.
So tell us about this. You all are doing something. So you do free also in opposition over everything.
No, see, our thing is very simple also. Wherever there's a need, we will serve that need. Whether it's an oxygen ward or it's not. See, people, see, one thing I've always told people is I've never asked people who they vote for when they come to us for help. Right? Help is, it's our job to basically provide help to absolutely everybody. People have the right to vote for whoever they want to. Those candidates have won because the people have chosen them. And we will extend our support to them.
When you talk about 6 months, rainy season will come in. You always spoke about now earlier
Setting.
and now at the present moment. So how would you all work this?
See, our desilting and everything starts in the month of January itself. So our process is an ongoing process. As in, see, now if you look at, like, say for example, even Stella Marie used to be an area in Miramar that used to flood during Suren's time. We have greatly reduced that flooding with the help of the locals themselves in that area. And also PWD, we've in the process of, we've already passed a tender, in the process of approving a file for the main DB road, right? So the water does not go into the colony in the first place. See, when I remember when I first took office in Panjim also, there were every single area in Panjim was flooded. I won't say every area, but a lot of areas. So over the years, little by little, we've curtailed all of that. So this year should be no different. Which
are the pending projects of
what?
the pending?
What happened?
Which are the pending projects of
Yeah.
pending?
Yeah.
You was being a mayor, which have been not been completed.
No, as of now, all of the projects have been completed. I don't think anything is left pending. There are some issues which we will rectify with the current contractors. But as of now, I think the smart city mission is over. It will not be.
You will be missing Surin this time?
Who?
You will be missing Surin this time?
Always missing. Yeah.
Okay.
वसंत परत एकदा तुझ्याकडे उपमहापौर पदाची जबाबदारी दिली काय मी आय वुड लाईक टू थँक आवर MLA Babu sir and Bharatiya Janata Party and all our conference for giving me a chance again आणि परत एक टीम म्हणून आम्ही पणजे खातीर काम करतो ओके
Yeah, see, that gas pipeline now should have been done while Smart City was doing their work. We are not in favor of them breaking up our roads and our footpaths again. That is just not going to happen as of now. So I believe minister is of the same opinion also. I think CS had chaired a meeting where he had instructed the company to go ahead. But we are absolutely not in favor of breaking up our newly hot mix roads and of any of this. This planning should have been done earlier. It is not our fault that they didn't get it done on time.
Are you happy with the smart city work?
See, wherever there have been issues now, I have already spoken to the smart city people. Wherever they have issues, I have asked the smart city people to call the contractors back again to rectify any issue that is not been handled properly. Now, some of the pavers and some of the barriers and all have already started coming up. So I've told them to go organize a meeting with all of them. I'll be walking around the city to check and see whatever has not been done as per our specifications will have to be redone by the same people.
But how much work has been completed? 100% work has been completed?
All of our work has been completed. I say under the old smart city thing, most of our work has been completed. There's nothing that is left, nothing that's pending. In Ribandar, there is some work that has to be commissioned. I think the sewage line and the water lines have to be commissioned in Ribandar. So that we're following up to check and see what the delay is with that. Now people had requested an extent. Now the bus service that smart city had initiated, which is done extremely well amongst the people also. A lot of people think it's one of the most successful projects of smart city. We want to extend that bus service now to the people of Ribandar. There have been people, they accuse us of giving that step monthly treatment to Ribandar. That is not the case. We have delivered whatever we have promised to the people of Ribandar. We have delivered, and whatever we have not in the coming 6 to 8 months, I will get done.
Also, issues are coming regarding the parking of the casinos.
See, as of now, also we've already had a meeting with the traffic PI. What we've done is we've asked them to give us a list of all of their shops. Now, traffic will always tell us the same thing, right? They're short staff. So what we've done is we've already asked them for a list of their requirements. There are around 50-60 people that are still right to be recruited in both in town police and in traffic. So first, what we want to do is through the minister's office, we want to fill all of those gaps first. Let there be no excuse. Let them be fully staffed. As of now, also there are ASIs and PSIs that are currently also taking rounds to make sure there is no double parking. We are hoping to come up with the plan in the next few months. Now, without proper adequate infrastructure in terms of buildings, like parking buildings, what we can hope to achieve, see now, taxis will occupy around 300-400 slots in the city itself. Under transport rules, they're not allowed to park there at all. So we want to start by removing this. All the government vehicles that have been abandoned, we want to start by at least correcting what we have promised us. And then little by little we get everything done.
In the past few months, there has been issue about the casinos. would you see the
See, the casino, people have an issue with, see, the casinos themselves provide a lot of business, a lot of employment to the people of Bangalore. Right? So in terms of that front, there's nothing that I can do about it. Right? Until an alternative plan is handed over by the same people who are opposing it. About that issue, I will not speak. The people have a lot of issues with, like, say, traffic, the behavior of the taxi drivers, behavior of these people. And all of that I want to rectify. So that we are also I'll also be going out in the evenings and in the nights to make sure that the traffic process is all streamlined with the police force and everything. So I've given a commitment that we will resolve everything. So within these 8 months, I want to at least begin the process or resolve most of these issues.
कोणत्या अगेन्स्ट कसं म्हणजे काल प्रोटेस्ट केलं त्यांनी की एन्क्रोचमेंट करता बिलकुल
About the see, now even about the barricades and everything, there was an issue. Now everywhere wherever they're using barricades as signages, we've already removed all of those things. Right? Where they're using it for proper police work and everything, we have left those. We have no interest in taking those out also. Against the casinos, like I said, now these people do not have a plan for what happens after the casinos. There is nothing more for us to talk about. My stand has been pretty clear. In terms of now, see, there are certain areas that have been affected. Now, see, Vittals Ward especially, now that Santome area, that Fontainebleau area, those are particularly affected by the casino. Right? Now, those areas we have already deployed wardens, and we have given those people my full commitment that over the next 5 years, as long as we are here, we will honor all of our commitments and we will bring down a lot of those issues. See, our plan is over the next 5 years to bring. See, we cannot get it done 100%. So I will start by improving it by 20%, 20% or whatever each year until the problem is resolved. It will take time. We are the only council that has made steps to even rectify any of these issues. We will continue.
स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम म्हटलं पाहिजे